I've failed more times than I care to admit. Failed my driving test, twice. Rejected from my dream internship, 3 times. Couldn't even get hired at a local coffee shop. And for the longest time, I blamed everything. The economy. Bad timing. Unfair advantages. But let me tell you what changed everything. The day I stopped making excuses. And started taking full responsibility for my life. That's when everything changed. If you're tired of feeling stuck. Tired of watching others pass you by while you're spinning in circles. Then this is for you. Because I'm about to give you 12 strategies that can transform your life in just 30 days. The hardest pill I ever swallowed. Realizing that every rejection, every failure, every missed opportunity, was the result of my own choices. Not bad luck. Not the system. Not fate. Me. And you know what? It hurt. But it also gave me power. Because when you stop asking, and start asking, what can I do about it? Everything shifts. You're no longer a victim. You become a creator. A builder. A fighter. I used to spend hours complaining about how unfair life was. How others had the connections, the support, the timing. Now, I spend that same energy solving problems. Finding my edge. Leveling up. Because while you're busy blaming the world, you're missing your shot to become the person who can change your world. You can't always control what happens. But you can control how you respond. And that response, it writes your future. Every yes to something pointless is a no to something that could change your life. Your time is limited. Your focus is gold. Your energy is everything. You can't say yes to every invite, every drama, every distraction. You have to protect your mission. Discipline is saying, this matters. That doesn't. Because greatness isn't built in loud moments. It's forged in quiet choices. I've failed more times than I care to count. Driving test. Failed. Twice. Dream internship. Rejected. 3 times. Even the local coffee shop wouldn't hire me. And for years, I blamed everything and everyone but myself. The economy. Bad timing. Unfair advantages. But here's the truth. The day everything changed, was the day I stopped making excuses. And took full responsibility for my life. If you're tired of being stuck, of watching others rise while you're sinking, this is for you. Because I'm about to give you 6 strategies that can transform your entire life. Every rejection, every failure, every missed shot, was on me. Not the world. Not luck. Not fate. And once I took ownership, real, painful, no excuse ownership, I got my power back. Stop asking. Start asking. Victims wait. Creators act. You can't control the world. But you can control your response. And your response changes everything. Especially when you're young. Saying yes to everything feels like ambition. But trying to do everything means you'll do nothing well. I used to say yes to every invite, every random task, every quick favor. I was constantly busy, but never productive. Then I learned the power of no. If it doesn't align with your vision, if it doesn't light your fire, it's probably a no. Because every yes to the wrong thing is a no to the thing that could change your life. You can dream. You can plan. You can make vision boards and to-do lists till your hands bleed. But none of it matters until you take action. I wasted months trying to find the perfect way to start my business. Reading. Watching. preparing. But nothing changed. Until I started doing. Start today. Even if you're scared. Even if you're unprepared. Action builds momentum. And momentum builds transformation. The world evolves. So must you. 15 minutes a day. That's all it takes. Read a blog. Watch a tutorial. Ask a question. Study someone better than you. I started with nothing. But I learned something new every day, about sales, marketing, strategy. And eventually, I knew enough to make real moves. I want to be successful isn't a goal. It's a fantasy. A goal is. I want to earn $5,000 per month from my side hustle by December. See the difference? When I first started, I was vague. I wanted to make money online. But that meant nothing. Only when I got specific. Could I build a real plan? Your goals should be so clear. You could hand them to a stranger. And they'd know exactly what you're trying to do. Write them down. Add numbers. Add deadlines. A goal without a plan is like a destination with no map. Want to earn $1,000 per month? Break it down. Reverse engineer every step. Make it so simple. You can't help but take action. You've waited long enough. Hoped long enough. Blamed long enough. It's time to take back your life. One strategy at a time. One day at a time. And if you do, you won't just change your month. You'll change your future. Big goals are exciting. But they can also be paralyzing. You want to start a business. Write a book. Change your body. Cool. But dreaming big isn't the hard part. You can't eat the whole elephant at once. You break it down, piece by piece. Want to start a freelance business? Cool. Each task. Clear. Measurable. Doable. I wasted months working on my business with nothing to show for it. It wasn't until I started planning daily, specific actions. That thing started moving. You don't need more ambition. You need clarity and execution. Turn your ideas into schedules. Your dreams into checklists. That's where the magic happens. And I've been thinking about that space. Between dreaming and doing. The place where most people stall. They want it. They say it. But they never move. So I'll ask you. Drop a comment. Let's talk about what's actually holding you back. Because you're not alone. But if you're willing to push through that space, everything changes. Discipline doesn't mean never failing. It means showing up anyway. Even when it's boring. Even when you don't feel like it. Even when no one is watching. I didn't start with big changes. I started by making my bed. That's it. One win. Every morning. Momentum. Then I added exercise. Then reading. Then planning my day. One habit stacked on the last. And before I knew it, I wasn't just dreaming of discipline. I was living it. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. Every damn day. Look around. Who are you surrounded by? People who complain. People who coast. People who don't believe in change. And if you're not careful, it becomes your default. This doesn't mean you cut off everyone from your past. It means you curate your future. Be intentional. Seek out people who are already where you want to be. Some will become mentors. Some collaborators. All of them, mirrors that show you what's possible. Your circle is either pulling you back or pushing you forward. You're not stuck because you're unmotivated. You're stuck because you're unfocused. Unstrategic. Disconnected from the people and habits that create change. These strategies, they're not theory. They're tools. Use them. Because life doesn't reward the one who wants it most. It rewards the one who executes. I've failed more times than I care to admit. Failed my driving test, twice. Rejected from my dream internship, 3 times. Couldn't even get hired at a local coffee shop. And for years, I blamed everything. The economy. Bad timing. Other people's advantages. But here's what changed everything. If you're tired of watching others pass you by, while you're stuck spinning your wheels, this is for you. Because I'm about to give you 12 battle-tested strategies that can completely rebuild your life in just 30 days. Let's begin. Every failure, every rejection, every missed opportunity, and the moment I accepted that, was the moment I got my power back. Stop asking, why is this happening to me? Start asking, what can I do about it? Victims wait. Creators act. Every yes to a distraction is a no to your goals. You can't do everything. So you must protect what matters. Say no to anything that doesn't align with your vision. The word no became my superpower. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a first step. I wasted months researching how to start. But nothing changed until I took action. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates results. The world is moving fast. You must evolve to keep up. 15 minutes of focused learning per day compounds into unstoppable growth. Success is the result of who you become. I want to be successful isn't a goal. It's a wish. Be specific. I want to earn $5,000 per month from my business by December. Vague goals create vague results. A goal without a plan. It's a dream. Break it down. Make it measurable. Create a timeline. Discipline isn't about never failing. It's about showing up anyway. Start small. I began by just making my bed. One win led to another. And discipline became a habit. Your network shapes your mindset. And your mindset shapes your life. Surround yourself with people who push you. People who believe. People who grow. You can make more money. But you can't make more time. Track where your hours go. Cut the fluff. Apply the 80-20 rule, focus on the few things that create the most results. Your emotions are not the enemy. They're data, not directions. Pause. Breathe. Ask, what is this emotion trying to teach me? Setbacks are guaranteed. But staying down is optional. The successful don't avoid failure. They recover faster. Resilience is the ultimate advantage. Gratitude isn't soft. It's strength. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. Not later. Not someday. Gratitude grounds you. And it shifts your mind from scarcity to possibility. Here's the truth. You can watch 100 videos. Read every book. Attend every seminar. But nothing changes until you act. The next 30 days will pass either way. You can be the same person, just 1 month older. Or you can become someone completely different. Someone who takes ownership. Sets clear goals. Executes daily. And rises. Just one change. And then stack the next. And the next. Trying to do all 12 at once. That's a recipe for overwhelm and failure. So don't. Pick the ones that hit you hardest. The ones that won't let you sleep. Start with. That's your foundation. That's where everything begins. Once those become automatic. Because these aren't fluffy ideas. They're not motivational quotes for your screensaver. These are tools. weapons. And they work. If you do. They require commitment, consistency, and the willingness to be uncomfortable. As you grow into the version of yourself that the world hasn't met yet. Listen to me. Your current situation is not your final destination. Every successful person you admire, they started right here. Right where you are now. They weren't special. They weren't lucky. They just decided to take control. And followed through on that decision. So now I ask you, will you make that decision? Will you stop being a spectator in your own life? And finally become the main character? The tools are here. The roadmap is clear. The only thing missing